How to change notifications sounds on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can make a custom change for your notifications in your Instagram. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings app. At this section, scroll below to apps. From here, search for Instagram. Under privacy, you will see notifications. Tap open it. At the below page, tap on notification categories. And here you can make a custom sound for any notification from Instagram. For instance, if you would like to change your sound for live videos, tap up on that option and tap on sound. From these options, choose any sound that you would like. Once done, this is how you can change your sound for your Instagram notifications. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.